Hello, good morning, boys and girls from first and second grade. Uh, Today I have an experiment for you. Yes, we're going to do an experiment in Fun English. So, what do you need to make this experiment? We need, very important, baking soda. We need vinegar. We need food coloring. I have here lots of colors to mix. Look, this is lemon yellow. This is fruit green. Okay, we have lots of colors. Then we need we need some cups. As you see, we need some cups like these, small cups. And we need a plate. Okay, and now, what are we going to do? To start, we're going to put some vinegar inside the cups. Okay, we put some vinegar inside each cup. Sorry, I forget to say that we need pipettes like this or like this. Please. Okay, here. Okay. So we put some vinegar, a little bit more here, and then we're going to put some baking soda on the plate. Okay, you put it like this. Can you see it perfectly? Now, we're going to drop some food coloring. For example, this is yellow. One drop. This is yellow. Okay? It's not orange. Look, we're going to put some red here. 1, 2 drops. We're going to put some blue. Okay. Yes. Okay, some blue here. 1, 2 drops. And what else?
Pink.
Pink. Okay, pink here. Pink. Violet. Purple. Yes. And purple. And now we're going to mix like this. Mix it. We mix it. And we mix it. Okay? And now you will see. Now it's time to play. We're going to introduce the color vinegar inside the baking soda. You can start. Come on. You can start. Boys, girls. Mireya. Look. When you put it inside, you can see lots of bubbles. Coloring bubbles. Come on, Adrian, you can start too. Can I help you? Look, purple, blue. This is pink. No, this is red. Red or pink. What color is this? And you can mix them. Look, you mix the colors. You mix the colors. Can you see the bubbles? Some yellow. Mix blue with yellow. Wow, it's like green. You're going to enjoy very, very much. Huh? Can I help you, Adrian? Remember, vinegar, baking soda, food coloring, and enjoy. Oh, it's colorful. Can you see the bubbles? Lots of bubbles. Okay. Bye bye.